Most creators use Apple Notes just to jot down ideas, but I use it to run my entire content workflow. From scripts to concepts to workflows to captions, everything lives inside of Apple Notes. And today, I am going to show you 5 Apple Notes features that transform my creative output and how you can turn notes into your personal creative headquarters. No paid apps, no subscriptions, and absolutely no chaos. And trust me, once you see these, you'll never use notes the same again. If your ideas are spread across Google Docs, sticky notes, screenshots, your iPad, or your iPhone, you are not disorganized, you're overwhelmed. And that overwhelm is why so many creators struggle with consistency. Listen, the real problem isn't motivation, it's fragmentation. But Apple Notes has evolved way beyond just a notes app. When you set it up strategically, it becomes a full creative ecosystem that syncs instantly across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and this removes friction from your entire process. Okay, so let's get into feature number 1, which deals with folders and the pin notes. This is going to create your creative headquarters. We're going to create a master folder. So how do we go about doing this? We're going to hit on the create folder to the top right here. And we are going to call this Content HQ. So we can also make this into a smart folder as well. But in this case, I'm just going to leave it as a regular folder and I'm going to hit on done. All right. So I have my Content HQ folder. So inside of here now is where I can come in and I can create my subfolders. So for my subfolders, I want to have a folder for ideas, scripts, captions, and all the things. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. So I'm going to hit on the 3 dots where Content HQ is, and it shows no notes. I'm going to hit on those 3 dots, and I'm going to tap on Add Folder, and I'm going to call these ideas. All right. I'm going to hit on Add Folder again, Scripts. Now, your brain finally has one home. No more digging around 10 apps to find something you wrote 3 weeks ago. Next thing you're going to do is pin your power notes. Whether it's your content calendar, your brand voice notes, your weekly planning template, pinning your notes is going to create that visual hierarchy that gently guides your workflow. This alone will save you 10 to 20 minutes every single day. Okay, so feature number 2 deals with tables and checklists, which can become your full content tracker. Okay, so we are going to create a simple content calendar, and you can use this as a template if you're just getting started. And we are going to use the tables feature inside of Apple Notes. So I'm going to go into content calendar here. So to the top here, I'm going to hit on table. I'm going to put in iDay. Then I'm going to put in platform. All right. If I want another column, I'm going to tap on these 3 dots above this column. I'm going to hit it first, and then I'm going to hit it again, and I'm going to choose add column, and I can also format. So I'm going to hit on add column, and then I'm going to do another. I need about 2 more columns. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those, right? So we're going to have draft, we're going to have final, and then we're going to have scheduled. The other thing is too, I can actually create a checklist. You can use tables or checklists as templates. So you can hit the checklist button to the top here, and you can have draft, edit, thumbnail, post, or engage. All right. So you can either use your tables or you can use checklists. All right. And this is a great feature to have. So I can hit the 3 dots to the left of my rows, and I can also format this. And if I want, I can go up to the top here and maybe add a color if I so desire, just to bring some amount of coloring to that table. Now you're managing your full pipeline without opening Notion, Google Sheets, or anything else. If you've ever struggled to stay consistent, this simple tracker is going to change everything. Okay, so let's go on to feature number 3, which deals with tags that give you instant organization. You can have tags for all of your ideas, and your entire creative backlog shows up in one tag. Tag scripts and all your in progress scripts are instantly grouped. These tags save you hours every month, and nobody talks about them. Now, you have a second invisible layer of organization that works across every device. Okay, so feature number 4 deals with connecting notes to Apple Reminders that automatically connects to Apple Calendar. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to tap and hold on this. I'm going to tap on share, and then I'm going to look for Apple Reminders, and I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to actually collaborate with myself. I'm going to click on share link. Then the next thing it's going to ask me which list do I want it to come up in. So I'm going to tap on iCloud and I'm going to go to maximize my day, right? And then it's going to show this, and then I can say add short list to script. And then I'm going to hit on done. All right. And then we are going to go into max. So this is the max my day out template. And then I'm going to swipe all the way over and I'm going to see other. It's going to appear in other. So I can tap and move this over into a section. So in this case, this is going to be a content priority for me. So I'm going to just drop it over here as a task. So if I go in here, I can tap on the eye and notice it's showing that link there. If I need to go through it, I'm going to set a date. So maybe I'll just choose that it's due tomorrow at maybe 10 a.m. It's going to be urgent. All right. And this is a new feature with the updates of iOS 26. So we're going to tap on OK. All right. And it's going to notify me on my iPhone about this, that I set it to urgent. All right. I can set up my tags. I can say this is a YouTube. I can put in my subtasks and all the things, and then I can hit on done. And so it's in there. So if I want to tap, it's going to actually open up that particular note for me. This is where Apple Notes turn into a real system. You can now attach your deadlines, notifications, priorities, your smart list, your focus mode automations, and your note becomes a task. Your task stays linked to that note, so you have no copy or pasting, no duplicate writing, no forgetting what idea belong where. And this connection is how I never lose track of video ideas ever. Okay, feature number 5 is adding media, PDF scans, and links. This is the feature creators sleep on. You can drop in your screenshots, your B-roll ideas, your reference images, your scripts, your research, your voice notes, and all the things. And because Apple Notes syncs instantly across your devices, you can collect inspiration anywhere. This turns notes into your creative storage vault. If you're a visual thinker like me, pair Apple Notes with Freeform. I use Freeform as my brainstorming space where my mood boards, my storyboards, and my content ideas and all the ideas that I have in my head, I need to get out in an unstructured space. Then I link my ideas back into Apple Notes for planning and execution. Think of Freeform as your whiteboard and Apple Notes as your command center. This combo is chef's kiss for creators. I can share it with Apple Freeform. Right. I'm going to type myself in. Right. And then I'm going to choose, look for all boards. And then it could be my brainstorming hub. And then I can say new content ID. All right, hit on OK. Then I'm going to go into Freeform. Okay. And then I have this new content ID appearing here. And notice it is the Apple Notice here. So if I want to see this note, I can simply tap on it and tap on the eye, and it's going to retrieve that Apple Note for me. If you want to take this further, I've created a productivity cheat sheet that shows you exactly how I am able to plan an entire week of content without feeling stressed and overwhelmed. It includes all of the things that I use, from tools to automation, that helps me to create content consistently without feeling burned out. And that's how I turn Apple Notes into my core creative workflow. It is simple, powerful, and already built into every Apple device that you own. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, drop a comment, and make sure you're subscribed for more Apple based productivity. And remember, your tech should be working for you and not against you. I'll see you in the next video.